And yes, guys, I found the Barbie Corvette XL for 2025. I think, I don't know if this is going to be a rare truck later on, because the Barbie camper was kind of rare last year or 2 years ago. Part of the Freestyle Record Series says Barbie. Really cool. There's the back of it. Name Barbie Corvette XL truck type muscle, strength, iconic power, crash attack, mold breaker. And so all I need for this case is totaled, Bone Shaker, and the Nissan Skyline, and the Camaro. So here it is, a Barbie one. Really cool, guys. Go ahead and open this now. We'll do it. I'm not gonna fast forward it because Ooh, okay. So here it is, the a neon yellowish. Well, it looks like a light yellow on the camera, but in person it's like a neon. Orange rims and beadlocks. Looks red on the camera. I don't know why. Nice metallic blue roll cage. You can see it there. You put the flash on it, see if you can see. Look at the roll cage. It's like a metallic blue, which is nice. It says Super Vet on the side, which is really cool. And there's a little orange strip. No headlight print. It says Barbie. There's like light printing here. It says Barbie on the license plate. Really cool truck, guys. I like this one. Hot Wheels Mod Trucks on the rear. Barbie as well on the back with taillight printing and the 2 motor inserts. And of course a silver chassis. Hot Wheels logo. I'm going to put the model number like they used to right here. So without further ado, guys, that's all I have for right now. So like I said, when I go to Target, I'm going to unbox more, see what I find. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.